Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. Welcome to the beginning of my savings, budgeting, and YouTube journey. I'm here to represent hardworking, low-income single parents. On this channel, I'm going to experiment with different budgeting styles, savings goals, and share strategies I learn as I go. My plan is to document my progress and hopefully encourage others to follow along. I plan to be totally open and honest with you guys with real numbers and in real time. So if this sounds interesting at all to you, please click the like button and subscribe to follow my journey. Let's get started. I came out today. I went to the bank to get my funds for my trip will start tomorrow. So I'm going out of town tomorrow. It's a road trip. And I did pull money out of the bank today, some cash. And I decided to leave some money on my debit card just in case someone did comment. And thank you all for all the love that I got in my last video. Oh my God, overwhelming. I got so many new followers, so many comments. I really appreciate all of it. And thank you so much for encouraging me. I really appreciate it. I did not expect that. But all right, so back to basics. So I went to the bank. I always start before I go. I decide how much I want to take out. And here's what I used. This shows me all the denominations that I took to the bank. And what I do again, when I get there, I write it down on a slip for them. This time I actually kept a couple slips so that next time, before I even get to the bank, I can just have it all set and ready to go. Alrighty, and then these are the totals of what each amount will be. And this is the total that I'm gonna take out in cash. The rest, like I said, I'm gonna keep on my card. So this is another breakdown. I think I did that wrong. I did do that other one wrong. Nope, I didn't. This is what I took. This is how many I needed. So I needed 31s, 13 5s, etc., to get the 625. All right, so I have that here, and I want to stuff each envelope based on the category that I gave it. So let's put that there and move that out the way. Alrighty, so let's get to stuffing. I put these in order so that you guys can follow along. I put them in order of this list that I made. So here, shopping is going to get 175. So a 5, a 10, 3 20s, and 2 50s. I always like to put the bigger bills in the back. So that's 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 75. I'm just gonna keep with this pink theme. Today's the 30th. Only thing about this smaller wallet, which I'm taking because it's smaller, let's do it this way, is you have to fold the money. I'm not the craziest about that, but it's fine. Just for a few days. Okay, you can do it. There you go. Okay, and dining out is getting 200. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no.
No, look at that.
Tens, let's see. 2 10s, 3 20s, and 2 50s. I'm all over the place. All right, let's fix that. Okay, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. Perfect. I guess I should put deposit here. Let's just say that. And this money came from savings. It is for vacation, although I am going to try my hardest not to use all of the funds. So let's see how that works out. I would like to have something to come back with. You guys can help me decide what to do with it if I do come back with some money. Did it the wrong way again. All right, next is gift. I budgeted $40 for that, so that is 5 ones. One 5 and 3 10s. So this is just for like some souvenirs. We always usually get each other something if we go on vacation. My mother and I always get my mother and my daughter something. So this usually it's a keychain, because it's affordable and there's always souvenir keychains wherever you go. Or maybe like a fridge magnet, anything that shows you where you went. All right, so that's 10, 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I'll be more careful than I was the other day because my math was not mathing last time. All righty, there you go. I should have wrote that first. 530, deposit 40. Okay, next is food. So the reason I have one for food and one for dining out, food is like going to be for if we're out with entertainment, if we're on the boardwalk and we see something that we like, something new that I want to try, that's food. Dining out is a sit-down restaurant. For me, that's my definition. Everybody uses the categories differently, but that's how I decided to use it. I feel like the stricter I get with my budget, the more money I have left over. I don't know. Apparently that's not working out with my variable funds, but we'll see how this works. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. All right, 60. Let's write it first this time. Okay. And entertainment 150. So nope, starting the wrong way. 21s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alrighty. 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 10s. There's 5 10s, and there's 3 20s. It's $150. Okay, $150. And this feels like it's going to be too big for this envelope. Maybe I should have got bigger bills for this. Maybe I'll do a bill swap and spread this out a little bit. All right. Oh. It worked. Barely, but it worked. Okay, and the only thing I didn't write on this sheet here was gas, because like you guys all know, I put that as part of my variable funds, and what I did was just move it from here to here because I planned for extra money for the road trip. So there's $70 in here right now. That's backwards. There's $70 in here right now, and I just decided I wanted to make it a clean 80. So I'm just going to take $10 more out of my variable funds. Only $20. So when I get back, it'll be Sunday, probably Sunday night. And then I only have 3 more days before I get paid. So that $20 should be more than enough. And hopefully this is enough gas. I don't know if it will be. I'm taking my car and it's small. It's 4-cylinder. So it should be fine. But we'll see. If I need to take more, that's something I'll do. When I come back, I will do a check-in to let you guys know how much I spent and if there's anything left. And then I'll let you know what I decided to do with whatever's left. So I said there was 70 in here. Let's make sure. There's 20, 40, 60, 70. Now there's 80. These envelopes do not like me today. Okay, there we go. Gas and miscellaneous. This is the category that I decided I am going to leave in my debit card. And I only give myself $75. So I will actually put my credit card, debit card in this envelope so that I still remember what it's for. $75 for miscellaneous. Okay, so my credit card will be stuffed in here. Obviously, I'm not going to show you that, but at least you'll know why it's empty for now. All right, so that is everything. That is the stuffing. Jeez. All right, so I have a total of $625 that will be in cash, and then there's the $75 for miscellaneous, which is a total of $700. I am not planning on spending the whole thing, but I rather have it than not. Hopefully I don't spend any more. I'm going to be very careful with what I decide to buy. I'm not going to go crazy. All right, that's it for me. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Like and subscribe if you'd like to continue to follow along on this journey with me. And please share your own progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And I want you to always remember, it's about progress and not perfection. Happy savings, everybody. Bye.